AP Statistics Review, the basics, the introduction here. The first one says the probability of A complement. So that's 1 minus the probability of A, or 1 minus 0.35. So this one is 0.65. The next one uses a different rule. It's the probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. So in this case, that's 0.35 plus 0.6 minus 0.27. Stick that in your calculator, your spare brain, chicka chicka whir whir, 0.68. Letter C uses the other formula. There's really two formulas in this kind of probability idea. The first one was on part B, and here's the second one. This is the probability of A and B over the probability of B. So here that's 0.27 over the probability of B was 0.6. You could reduce that out and get 0.45. And then letter D says, are they independent? Well, if they're independent, then the probability of A is the same as the probability of A given B. So we'll check that out. The probability of A was 0.35. We just found the probability of A given B is 0.45. Those are not the same, so they are not independent. And I like to throw one more on here. Are A and B disjoint? And I like to throw that in, not because it's hard, but because a lot of stat students get confused between independence and disjoint, and they're really completely different. A and B being disjoint, if that were the case, then the probability of A and B would be 0. Is that the case? No, we said the probability of A and B was 0.27. That's not 0, so they are not disjoint. No.